Well, I've got the fuse panel, which is this little simple little thing right here on the Sierras and Silverados. I'll plug into all of this. Well, not that. This and all those. Easiest wire was the power wire that goes there to here, which I just ran through a hole that was already there from when I pulled the HVAC box out. Now I did all this wiring through that hole right there, including that, which is tied in to all that wiring right there. So, and then I gotta figure out this, because it goes into, okay, out of the way wire, goes into that, which then the plug there goes towards the engine. So, yeah, so for that gray wire or plug, wherever it's at now, disappeared on me. Here it is. I've got to extend it to, well, it would reach from this location all the way to over about right in there, which is where the fuse panel will be. So, which all the holes are covered up and everything, so it's good to go there. Now is the fun part that I enjoy doing, is dealing with the wiring. So, yeah, I think the easiest part I'm going to have to do, easiest route, is to remove the whole fender, because this will come out along with it, and which is only 2 bolts there, 1 right there, and 2, it's actually I think 3 along the fender, backside of the fender. Remove those, and this whole fender and wheel well will come right out. And then remove the tire, and then I'll have a lot more access to get into there and do what I have to do.